What's good, YouTube? I've been unboxing stuff all day, so I went on to ProStylingTools.com and I picked up a couple things. This is one thing that I just got. Just came in. I got a Supra ZR2. I've been planning on upgrading all my tools. I chose to look into the Supra ZR. This is something I've been wanting for a while. Right now I use the Andis BGRC with the battery. So I have the battery pack and the charger. I've had it since barber school, so it was time to upgrade. I bought this, yes, in 2022. I know Oster has their Octane. Oster has their brand new 76. I just went with something with a brand that I've been going with for a while. You know, I know not many clipper companies are even coming out with detachable clippers like that anymore, but that's still something I use and keep in my inventory at all times. This has a 3-hour run time, 2-hour charge time. It's been around for a while. I have been wanting one of these for a minute. Packaging is, you know, classic Andis packaging. Same old, you already know. Let's get to unboxing this joint. In the pictures, this box looks way bigger than I thought it was. Everything I've got in today has been smaller than I thought it would be. Oh yeah, I could get down with this. It's fire. It comes with a 000 blade. It's not too big, not too heavy. This is the second one, which means it has the battery that detaches. So you can buy another battery if you'd like. I feel like all Andis detachable clippers come with a 000. It's got the cord, of course, and absolutely it does have a dock. This is a pretty decent sized dock. It's not too big, it's not too small. It says Andis on the front, you know. I'm big on putting stuff back where they goes, and of course you got the information on the inside. It comes with a replacement for the thing the blade sits on inside, which is cool. I feel like not many clippers come with stuff like that. Of course you got the Andis oil. So as you know, Andis went with a new logo. The oil has the new logo on it. Everything else has the old logo on it, from what I can tell. This is a pretty old clipper. I don't want to say old, but it's because a lot of people still use this and it's still around. But most people either have gone with the Octane or the Supra ZR. Also, one thing I got with it is the Oster Igloo. This is just something I can put my blades in. I'm big on making sure things aren't broken. So I got something to put all my blades in. That way I don't accidentally drop on the floor or something like that. So that's what I got. I'm gonna use these for a couple days and I'll let y'all know what I think real soon, as soon as I can.
Three weeks later.
Today we are comparing the Oster Cordless 76 and the Andis Supra. Now, these are some pretty solid clippers, both of them, of course. The Supra's been around for a while. The Oster 76 just came out not long ago. Everybody's been comparing them. I think they're pretty nice clippers, both of them. Let's start with the docks. Now, as far as the docks go, you got the Andis dock and you got the Oster dock. The Oster dock is a lot lighter. It's smaller. It'll make more room on your station. The Andis one is quite a bit bigger, but the Andis battery lasts an hour extra. The cordless fast feeds only last about 2 hours. The Andis Supra ZR2 lasts about 3. The Oster one does not have an indicator, but there is an indicator on the machine. The Andis Supra dock has a indicator on the front, a light. Pretty similar, just one has an indicator, one doesn't. All right, now as far as the machines, if you go with the Andis, usually the Andis blades have the ceramic blade on them. You can use either blades on them. They both work. I've used them already. The Oster, of course, has the the metal blades on them. You can use the Andis ones or the Oster ones on either of them. The Supra ZR feels slimmer, smaller in hand. As far as length goes, it is smaller. Side profile, it is a little bit smaller. They both have indicators on the front. Now with the Supra, the lights go up and down. They go down when it's starting to die. They go up when it's charging. This also has 5 speeds on it. This on the side is the on and off button. This in the front controls the speed. Now you have 5 speeds. You click it up to go up a speed, click it down to go down a speed. 3-hour runtime on this. It's a pretty solid machine. It's been around a while. Some people like them, some people don't. I've heard people say they returned it after buying it. That's all preference. I'm coming from a Andis BGRC, so it's all the same to me. I'm already used to Andis. Now the Oster Cordless 76, this is a new machine. One of the big things with these machines, this one, you can plug the charger into the bottom and continue using it. The Andis, you cannot. So you have to make sure it is charged. That can be a big thing to some people not really. It has an indicator on the front, but it doesn't tell you how much battery you have left. It'll start to turn red once it's starting to die or it needs to be charged. On the front, you have one button. So you push it up a little bit, it'll go to the first speed, the second speed, and then the third speed when it's all the way up. This has 3 speeds compared to the Andis, which has 5. I don't really care about speeds and things like that, to be honest. I only use detachable blades to cut down bulk and go over waves. That's all I use it for, so I'm not using these to blend. Some people do use them to blend, but honestly I don't. Both of these are solid machines in my opinion. As far as the sound test goes, here's the Oster and here is the Andis Supra. Get out of here, Jose. The Andis is quieter. Obviously, the 76 is just like the regular 76. The corded version is going to be loud. It's going to be a little bulky. A lot of people like it. A lot of people use the Octane, so they don't like it. It is bigger than the Octane. I will say that. I'm going to say between the two of these, I think I like the Supra more. I think I'm gonna go with the Supra. I've been using this as well, the Oster. Now this ends up being about $345, $350, somewhere around there. You can find this at a lot of different places, different prices. You can find it for less, you can find it for more. Of course, everybody's prices are competitive, but I got this for about $345, the Andis Supra. I got the Cordless 76 for about $300 even. I know the prices on these have fluctuated a little bit. Also, it depends on what color you get. If you get the blue series, usually they're about $20, $30 less sometimes, depending on which website you get it off of. They have the blue ones, they have the red ones, and they have these black ones. The Andis Supra is a little bit more, but it is quieter. The battery lasts longer. I feel like you get more bang for your buck with this one. With the 76, it's brand new. Sometimes there's things that go wrong with brand new products, so be aware of that. It's nice, it feels good in your hand. It is a little loud. People don't seem to complain about it though. I actually like both of these. If I had to choose though, a 3-hour battery is important to me. Also, it's been around a while. This has 5 speeds, this has 3. I don't really care for the speeds. I just turn it all the way up and use them. They both seem to do it for me. I know a lot of people have been asking me to compare these to the Octane. I don't have an Octane. Probably not gonna spend that much money on an Octane right now because I've seen those for up to like $400. If I'm gonna get a detachable clipper, it is going to be one of these. Either take your pick. I like them both. I know a lot of people love the Oster Octane. I hear that's a great one as well. I might borrow it from someone and see if I like it, but as of right now I just have these two. Other than that, I believe that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. See y'all in the next video. Peace!
I used to have girls graduating to a woman. I used to be managed, trying to get a little loving. Girl, let me be your rock star. Let me show you your goals not far. Loving you was easy, let me show you that it's not hard. Comfort 'cause I wanna see